Section 1.4 Broker Oversight in Marketing. In the previous sections, we explored how marketing in Arizona real estate is defined, why it must tie directly to buyer and seller motivations, and how those motivations shift based on market dynamics such as seasonal cycles, interest rates, and urban versus rural differences. Now it's time to bring all of these pieces together. No matter how creative, strategic, or well-timed your marketing is, every Arizona real estate agent must operate under one important reality: you do not market alone. Your broker is always at the center of your advertising. Arizona law is clear. Your broker is legally responsible for your actions, including your marketing. That's why every flyer, ad, website, business card, and social media post must be reviewed and approved in line with your broker's policies. Let's break down what this means. Why broker oversight is required. Under ARS paragraph 32-2153b3, the AGRI can suspend or revoke a license if an agent engages in misleading advertising or fails to identify their employing broker. The statute makes no distinction between personal and professional ads. If you are licensed, anything you publish relating to real estate must comply. Commissioner's Rule R428-502E strengthens this by requiring that the employing broker's name be displayed in equal prominence to the agent or team name in all advertising. In practice, this means you cannot advertise as the Valley Luxury Group without also including your broker's name with equal prominence. You cannot create an independent website that omits your brokerage name. Even on social media, your broker's identity must be clear. Examples of broker oversight in Action 1. Business cards. O non-compliant. A card that says Jane Smith, Realtor, R, with only a phone number. O compliant. A card that says Jane Smith, Realtor, R, Realty One Group, with the broker's name clearly visible. 2. Signs. O non-compliant. A yard sign that says the Phoenix Dream Team without broker identification. O compliant. A yard sign that says the Phoenix Dream Team at Realty One Group. 3. Social media posts. O non-compliant. Posting, call me to list your home, with only your logo and no broker name. O compliant. Posting, call Jane Smith with Realty One Group to list your home, with your broker's name in equal prominence. In each case, the broker ensures compliance, protects the consumer, and shields you from disciplinary action. Broker's role in reviewing marketing. Every brokerage has policies for reviewing and approving marketing. Some brokers require pre-approval of every flyer or social post. Others provide templates that agents must use. Why is this necessary? Because if an ad violates Arizona law, it is not just the agent who is disciplined. The broker can be fined or even lose their license. That's why many brokers take oversight so seriously. Real-world example. A Phoenix agent ran Facebook ads promising guaranteed rental income for investment properties. The AGRI disciplined both the agent and the broker because the ads had not been reviewed. The broker was fined for failing to properly supervise. This example ties back to R428-1103, which requires brokers to exercise reasonable supervision over their agents. Advertising oversight is one of the most important parts of this supervision. Maintaining consistency in brokerage branding. Another reason broker oversight is crucial is brand consistency. A brokerage's reputation depends on all agents representing it in a professional and compliant manner. If one agent markets themselves as luxury only, another claims to be a discount broker, and a third creates misleading ads, the brand becomes fragmented, and the brokerage loses credibility. Broker review ensures that the entire company maintains a professional, consistent public image. Liability for unapproved advertising. The consequences of skipping broker oversight can be serious. For the agent, fines, suspension, or even license revocation under ARS 322153. For the broker, disciplinary action for failing to supervise R4 to 281103. For the client, misinformation, mistrust, and potential financial harm. Example, if you post an ad saying no HOA, but the property actually does have an HOA, the buyer may file a complaint. The ADRE will not just hold you responsible, they will also investigate whether your broker supervised your advertising. Tying the chapter together. At this point, you can see how everything we've covered so far fits together. Section 1.1. Defining marketing. Marketing is more than ads. It's everything you do to attract clients. Section 1.2. Buyer-seller motivations. Marketing only works when it speaks to why people buy and sell. Section 1.3. Market dynamics. Timing, interest rates, and geography shape how motivations play out. Section 1.4. Broker oversight. Even the best marketing plan must be reviewed and approved by your broker to stay legal and protect your license. This first chapter establishes the foundation. Marketing is powerful, but in Arizona, it is never separate from compliance. You are the creative force, but your broker is the safeguard. Together, you create marketing that attracts clients, builds trust, and keeps you operating within the law. In key takeaway from Section 1.4 and Chapter 1, wrap up. No matter how motivated buyers and sellers are, no matter how hot or cold the market is, your marketing must always be approved and connected to your broker. This protects the public, your license, and your brokerage's reputation. Marketing without broker oversight is not just risky, it is illegal under Arizona law.